Today I'm working in this 04 Ford Explorer with a 4.0 liter. He came in with a misfire. He had a misfire in cylinder number 1, PO301. So I was doing a little checking, and I noticed this in, I would say, most Fords, I would say, Ford Explorers, Expeditions. What happens is the intake manifold and these trucks or cars, they leak because they're made out of plastic. As you can see, this thing, I mean, the upper part is aluminum or metal. I think it's aluminum, but the bottom part is made out of plastic. It's common, I see, like in the Lincoln Town cars, any like for 5.0s, 4.6, like this one. So I took this screw to make it easy, so we don't spend a lot of time, checking it. You see this coil? It's a little soaking wet. You can see the marks. It was wet from before. If you look at underneath there, all the way down the cylinder, I mean, that plug is swimming in water. It's actually coolant. So that's what it gives you, a misfire. Sometimes you get a misfire number 1 or number 6, or sometimes the last one over there, which is number 4 or 8. So this is a very common problem with these trucks. If you guys come, sometimes you probably don't see water on it, but sometimes the leak is minimal. So that's what it causes.